If you own a cleaning business and you're wondering, so why the heck is Google so important anyways? Then stick around and watch the rest of this video. Today, I'm gonna help you understand why Google is so important to your cleaning business. We'll talk a little about changes coming to Google Maps and Google reviews. We'll talk a little about Google Business Profile spam, and I'll tell you what you can do about it. I'm Ruben with BookCleaningJobs.com. This is the Carpet Cleaning Marketing Update. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You've probably been wondering, why exactly is Google so important for my cleaning business, right? Everybody talks about Google. Google's always the first thing everyone mentions when you say, how should I market my cleaning business? Everyone says, go to Google. Are you on Google yet? Have you run ads on Google? Do you have a profile on Google? Are you doing SEO? Can people find you on Google? Everyone always asks if you have your cleaning business on Google. And that's because Google is extremely important to your cleaning business. Let me explain to you why. Years ago, people used to use something called the phone book. Every time they needed to find a service business for their home, a plumber, an electrician, a carpet cleaner, a house cleaner, something like that, right? They would get out the phone book and they would find somebody in their local town who could do that cleaning job. Then along came Google, right? Along came Google. And Google was not only a useful tool, a search engine where you could type in anything and find just about anything, including a carpet cleaner or a house cleaner in your local area. Google was not just a useful tool. It was also a pop culture phenomenon. And it resulted in the word Google becoming an everyday verb that people use anytime they want to find something on the internet, right? Go Google it. I'll Google that. Just Google that. Soon enough, nobody really had to use the phone book to find a business like a carpet cleaner or a house cleaner anymore. Everybody just went to Google to find it. And then along came the smartphone, the mobile phone, right? And Google was suddenly in your pocket. It was in your hand. It was everywhere you went. And so now you Google literally everything. You don't go to the phone book anymore. You probably don't even ask friends and family for their recommendations anymore. You probably go to Google and read the reviews before you hire somebody, right? So Google's replaced word of mouth marketing, referrals. It's replaced the phone book. Google's really knocked out a lot of the old school ways of marketing your cleaning business. If you're not getting found on Google these days, your cleaning business basically doesn't exist. If you own a cleaning business these days, you need to be found on Google. Otherwise, you're going to struggle. So we talk a lot about how to harness the power of Google on this channel. And if you need help getting started, I'll put a link in the description to another video that we posted that will tell you how you can book 3 times more cleaning jobs. And a lot of that video has to do with Google. Go look for that link and go watch that video. But first, if you've gotten any value out of this video here today, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you're serious about growing your cleaning business in the next year. We're gonna be posting a lot more videos about how you can use Google to grow your cleaning business, and I don't want you to miss any of those videos. So make sure that you subscribe. Next, Google announced some changes recently to Google Maps and Google reviews specifically, and they announced these changes during their Search On 2022 event. This was a few weeks ago, and I really didn't bother to bring it up on this channel until now because a lot of those changes that Google announced, they don't really impact your cleaning business. But one change in particular does, and I've already heard some cleaners complaining about it. That change is that Google has announced they're going to deprioritize some reviews. And the types of reviews that Google is going to deprioritize are reviews that Google thinks are spam or otherwise not useful or unreliable, or, it just doesn't pass the sniff test for Google. So Google's deprioritizing some reviews now. And if you've noticed your own Google review count going down, or if you've noticed that you've asked customers to leave you a review, you know for a fact that they left you a review and it never showed up on your Google business profile, this might be the reason why. This could be why those reviews are not reaching your profile. So I just want you to be aware that this is happening. I don't have a solution for it. If your reviews are not showing up on your profile and you know that customers are leaving them, I don't have a solution for you right now, but I will bring you more information as I receive it. The best thing I can recommend is to continue asking for reviews, especially from customers who've left Google reviews using their Google or their Gmail account in the past versus some first-time Google reviewer leaving a review for you that maybe doesn't pass Google sniff test. That's just me theorizing. I don't know any of this for fact. I'm just giving you my general idea of what I think is happening here. So ask people who are in the habit of leaving reviews on Google, ask those people to leave you reviews. But generally, you should be asking every single customer that you serve to leave you a review because that's going to increase the total number of reviews that you receive for your cleaning business and help you make a lot more money. So again, I'll bring you more info on that as I receive it. Next, if you have a Google business profile and you have messaging turned on, then more than likely you've gotten some spam messages in the past. And when I say spam messages, I mean things like, hey, want to buy more 5-star reviews? Hey, we've got high quality reviews for sale. that type of spam, right? If you've received messages like that from your Google business profile, as always, I recommend that you just ignore those messages, block them, mark them as spam, and move on with your life. The reason I bring this up, I hear about this sometimes in some of the Facebook groups that I'm in for carpet cleaners and other cleaning business owners, but recently I've heard some horror stories about cleaning business owners who are, getting tough with these spammers and replying back with some pretty nasty things like, hey, screw off. I don't want you to sell me your spam reviews, right? Well, I'm hearing stories about that backfiring. So I've heard that if you try to reply as the tough guy and be mean to these Google review spammers, they will actually bomb your Google profile with negative reviews. And Google is not quick to remove these reviews. You can flag them and you can beg and plead with Google to take them off your profile, but it's not going to happen anytime soon, and it may not happen at all. So rather than risk that happening to your Google business profile that I hope you've worked very hard to build up, to optimize, and to get reviews on, rather than risking all that hard work just to act tough with some spammer, I highly, highly recommend block and mark it as spam, move on with your life. No need to even respond to the message at all. Don't say no thanks. Don't say no thank you. Don't say we don't need it. Don't say I don't need your stinking reviews. Just block them, move on with your life, because honestly, it's not worth it. Take all that energy, take all that negative energy, and put it towards something more productive in your business, like getting more reviews from your actual customers, or uploading more pictures, or doing something like that. No need to reply to these guys, because honestly, it's just a big waste of time, and there's a bigger risk that it's going to hurt your business than help your business. All right, that's it. That's all I got for you today. I don't like to leave anybody empty-handed though. So if you're watching this and if you're confused at all about what you should do to market your cleaning business, I want you to go to BookCleaningJobs.com/cheat sheet. I put together a free marketing cheat sheet. It's for carpet cleaners, but honestly, this works for any cleaning business anywhere. So if you have a cleaning business in the United States, in Canada, in Australia, in the UK, or wherever, house cleaning, carpet cleaning, window cleaning, this cheat sheet will give you everything that you need to grow your business. So go get a copy, BookCleaningJobs.com/cheat sheet. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments. I'm Ruben with BookCleaningJobs.com. I'll talk to you next time.